Okay, so right now I'm taking out the brake pedal push rod and I'm gonna paint it. I know you'll never see it. I know. I'm just very picky about very picky about certain stuff like that. Just because I want it to look nice. I don't want it to look shitty, and I just want it to look nice. So I'm gonna take that out and I'll show you guys what it is and what we did here once I get it out. Once I get it out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like and what it's gonna look like, or what it'll paint. I'll paint a picture for you guys. So get this door hang open, and I'll be back in a minute. So this is the final product. It looks like ass. It looks like ass. I painted it, and I will admit, even though I painted it, it looks horrible. But you're not gonna see it, and it's painted. So at least it won't rust. If for some reason water gets in there or whatever, it won't rust and it'll be fine. It's painted enough to where it shouldn't rust. Got bigger problems now. The tap won't go all the way down. I don't think you can see that. It went down perfect on that side. Brand new threads. Same size, but just retapped and just, you know. I'm going to put it in and see if we can get it in and just clean the burrs out. That's the right-handed side. Crap, I gotta put that. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second. I need to work on the door panels here. Get this piece installed because this guy is. Big shout out to Scott, dude. I can't even be mad at the dude. Even if by technicality in design it is his fault, I can't even be mad at the guy because the guy is working with us so much. And it just shows true, I won't say sportsmanship, but the true colors of who he is. He's a really good guy. He's willing to work with you, and he's not, oh, I got your money, that's it, I don't care, don't answer the calls from him. No, the dude really cares. We had the problem with that. See that square in the very back, that square piece. Don't really know what it is. He's like, dude, you're not ticking me off. I mean, you're fine. I'll make you a piece to fit that, and we're always on him with something, and I feel bad, but he's like, it's my job, dude. I mean, I feel bad, but he's a really good guy from what I understand. He's willing to make it right no matter what he's got to go to, and you can't be mad at somebody like that. You can't be mad even if their product is wrong by default, even if it is what you ordered. You can't be mad at somebody who's willing to make it right, no matter what lengths he's got to go to. Big shout out to him. It's Scott Rod Fabrication. I think he's out of Toledo, Ohio. Go look him up. I'll try and link his Facebook or his website. I can't even be mad at the guy. I can't. He's willing to work with us so much. And oh, this must be the toolbox they're talking about. Wonder what's in this motherfucker. Ooh, tools. How would I have guessed? Anyway, I'll have to go through that in another video because I didn't know. We've been looking for that thing for freaking ever. So I'll go through that in a later video, but for now, and I need to clean that area up. That's a freaking disaster over there. But now I need to get these set up, and I'll see you guys in a second when I get these set up, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. So, oh shoot, this is not gonna end well. This is not going to end well. This is not going to end well. This is not going to end well. So, essentially what I was saying was that I need to get those door panels. You can't see this. I need to flip this around. Pause, because I'm extremely tired. Granted, it is only 7 o'clock at night, but I've had a very long physical rough day. I need to get these door panels, and I need to put these inserts in them and blah, 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 and take some pictures for Scott. And essentially, what he's going to do is make a thing for this whole deal to cover it up. And I can't even be mad at the guy. The guy is doing a really stand-up job at holding his reputation and this and that. And I applaud him for that big time. He's not just oh, I've got your money, I don't care. No, he's a really good guy, and he's willing to work with you, and that's there's not a lot of people like that anymore. So take advantage of that when you can, because there is not a lot of people like that anymore. Everybody just, oh, I got your money, I don't care. But I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I'm gonna send him some pictures or email him some pictures. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. It's the little things that tick me off, and I don't know why. Yeah, I'm probably never going to put those back in unless I do it like my dad's going to do with his car and restoring it not really restoring it, making it more streetable. Not restoring it by any means. But if I do what he's doing, I've got to now buy new door panels because I don't think these come off. I think those are attached to the whole leather and whatever. So it's what it looks like with it in, and it's locked and unlocked. So I got to send Scott some pictures real quick, and I'll see you guys in a second. So I just wanted to say, I don't know, I can't find the original outro, so I'm going to record this outro again because I can't find the original outro. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if it got, like, when it was transferred over, if it got, like, whatever they call that, like, froze or not froze, you know what I mean, like, corrupted or whatever. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Go follow my TikTok that I'm doing, of the build of the truck, just same stuff, just very short stuff, just updates and whatnot, not really anything serious. Go follow it for some behind the scenes kind of stuff that I'm going to try and do here and there within, 3-minute time limits of what they allow. Stuff that's not going to be really seen on YouTube, short racing clips when time comes, stuff like that. So go follow it. I'm going to try and start posting on there somewhat regularly. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.